All right, boys. Today we're here, last day in Texas, doing an impromptu video in 30 minutes. So this might be the longest, not the longest or the best quality. We're here with Tyler and Walker's, 78?
Yep.
Camaro LT. It's a 4-speed manual with a 305? Yeah, and I'm gonna record me trying to drive manual. So let's get this.
Give her a little gas. There you go. Okay. All right, first
And
gear
you don't
left,
need any
forward.
gas until it engages.
Clutch all the way in.
Push all the way in.
First gear. Now just nice and slow. Oh shit.
Yeah, just a
You can
little bit
leave
more
it
gas
first.
at the end.
Start it again. Shit. Not bad.
Okay.
You're good in first, you can say there.
Okay, what RPM should I?
Just
good.
once you get to about 3,000, you can go and
Then-
try to shift. Just clutch all the way in, pull it straight back. There you go. You're shifting gears.
Not passing
Banging
anybody, though.
gears.
Yeah. And we can. Are we good cruising at 17?
Oh yeah, you're fine.
Okay.
Has enough torque, you can still climb in second. Is the camera still rolling?
Oh yeah.
Hopefully I got a right GoPro view. Give him a little walk around, Tyler.
So this is Walker's 1978 Camaro. He's had it for about a year, and he's 15 years old, so I do all the driving. And now we got Kyle driving, teaching him some stuff.
And when you need to stop, just let the clutch out and let it like engine brake, and then we'll slow you down a decent bit.
Is the e-brake on? I've got a brake. Oh shit.
You can just pull this button. Or yeah,
Oh, no, the brake's off.
You're okay.
Something that's just a little bit off, and it, even when it's off, the light will stay on.
This is good practice for the Lemons race.
Yeah, you're gonna be in the seat for a long time.
Yeah, this isn't too bad.
Once you're going, it's easy enough.
I don't want to get up going too fast at all.
Yeah.
Should I?
Oh no, you're good in second gear up to like
I say that we
3,500.
should do a little bit more practice stopping and going.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe try stopping up here.
Let's see.
Just clutch all the way in and then brake.
Clutch and brake.
Yeah.
Okay.
Push it all the way in.
Yeah. Do I need to downshift to first?
No, you can, once the clutch is in, you're totally disengaged, so you can stop in any gear.
Okay. Let's go right. That's more flat.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Go
now
first.
Clutch first.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay.
You're all good.
We're good?
You're
Okay.
good.
Okay.
A little rough first start, but you got it.
We're getting somewhere. So second?
Yep. Clutch all the way in. Perfect.
Okay, so I'm gonna make a left turn. Clutch
Alright.
in.
Just clutch in, then you can,
A little bit of brake.
yeah, and you can go ahead and,
Clutch out.
yep.
That was seamless.
That's smooth.
That was perfect. You know, I kind of want to tell them what I'm planning on buying, but keep that a secret until
It's got to be for the reveal.
Yeah, 50, maybe 50 subs. I'll review it. Reveal. Let's do a left-hand turn. So we're,
Maybe once we get to a flat spot, try another start.
okay, so we're gonna do clutch in, a little bit of brake, clutch out. Okay, that was a little rough.
Not bad.
Too much gas.
You're figuring things out.
So let's do another left-hand turn. Clutch in. We're good? We're good?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay, so we got a car under us. Make sure. So, clutch in. I think I'm good.
Getting the hang of things. Want to try another start up here?
Yeah. Let's,
Right, maybe right over here.
Let's pull over here. Okay. This. Glad I'm learning. Okay, so downshift to first.
Yeah, just get to the top of this little hill right here.
You don't want to be
Right here.
going fast at all.
Okay, so
This is good. Good practice. A little downhill,
downshift,
so you can figure it out. Go to a complete stop.
clutch out, and then so just brake.
All right, so clutch all the way in,
Clutch
and
Shit. Okay, clutch. And then what?
you can start it while it's in
Yeah,
first.
start it while
Let's
it's
do
in first.
neutral. So clutch in, foot on the brake. Okay.
All right,
Now clutch
first gear, clutch all the way in,
out.
and now just release the clutch as slow as possible.
Sorry.
Let's get another try.
Alright, keep on letting it out, no gas, and go on and off the brake. See when it like holds itself, and once it starts holding itself, give it a little bit of gas.
It's holding itself.
Alright, now go.
So foot off the.
You can let off the brake all the way. There you go. Getting the hang of
Look
it.
at that. I should have listened to more 15-year-olds.
I know,
Yeah.
right?
Okay, so let's go all the way up to second. And then let's do a left-hand turn. Dude, this is great. Thank you guys.
Anytime.
Can't wait for the next car.
50 subs.
Yeah, 50 subs. Get me up there, boys. We're 14 away.
Not bad.
All right, Tyler. We're coming up on a big hill. What do I do?
Don't stop.
Just keep going. It'll
Just
climb right
no
up there.
Clutch? No, we're going down.
Or going
Oh.
downhill, just leave it in second and then ride the brake.
With
And-
clutch in?
No, the clutch
Clutch.
out.
It's
Okay.
gonna
Because the kind of like the dirt bike, whenever you're going downhill.
Okay, yeah, but this isn't pop wheelies.
Oh yeah, not yet. So with that, it'll automatically slow down, so you don't have to use as much brakes.
I'm feathering the brake right now.
Yeah.
Now, would it be a bad idea to give it some gas?
No.
It's always a good idea.
Give her the can of beans?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at us go.
Try another start up here.
Yeah, sure. So,
Clutch all the way in,
let's
brake.
get past this corner up here.
All right. So just when you need to stop, clutch all the way in and brake, just like normal.
So I'm gonna let us go down a few RPMs, and then we're gonna do clutch in, brake to first. So clutch in, brake. Let's go to neutral. Should I turn the car off?
No, you're good.
Okay. So now we're
Let's go straight to first.
back to first, brake, out.
Nice, slow.
It's holding itself. Okay, it's grabbing.
Yeah, now give it a little bit of gas and let
Keep
it
the
out.
clutch where you got it.
Yeah, there you go.
And now once you get up to speed,
Okay.
then let off. There you go.
That was good.
It's really smooth.
No hands. One of the first times I met the boys, we did a little drift around the turn in the El Camino and ended up in that guy's yard. Wasn't the
Good
best
times.
first impression, but you know, you live and you learn. Should I try reverse? Is that
Sure,
a
if
good
you want
idea?
to.
Okay. So let's find a good place that I can just. How about up here on the left? So I should go clutch in when we're making the turn. A little bit of brake. Then downshift to first. Let's
Yeah.
just do a little.
And it's gonna be a tricky one. This is uphill pretty good.
So clutch
just-
is. Okay, I just killed it.
So this is a good practice.
So let's do.
You're already neutral, started up. Okay,
Should I
first
just
gear.
go straight into reverse? Yeah. Should I
Oh
just
yeah, you
back
wanna turn
out?
around? Yeah.
So
So you gotta lift up and all the way back. Kind of lift it up. Clutch
Like
make sure the clutch is all the way in too.
Yep. Pull. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And there's reverse.
So now clutch out and I'll brake.
Do
Well,
take your foot off the brake completely and
Yeah,
turn.
and your clutch is
and
like
then
your
just kind of
brake.
feather the clutch in.
Okay.
No problem. Some people have an easier time learning in reverse.
Okay, so clutch all the way down. We go back up.
And then left,
first,
forward.
and then just like starting it, you let it grab.
Yeah, just like backing up.
Okay, it's grabbing. You
There
give
you
it
go.
some gas.
Solid.
That was really good.
That was good.
You're figuring it out.
Yeah.
You'll get real good at lemons.
Yeah. Now I just gotta work on my.
Are you filming video at Lemons?
Yeah, at the race for sure. I'm gonna film a video. In the video that I'm about to upload, there's a little sneak peek on the Lemons car, so stay tuned for that. That should be up within. Well, I guess this video will be out after that. Watch the Suburban video. All right, I'm gonna pull it into our cul-de-sac, and then I'll let you guys go.
You got a lot better.
Alright, so. Oh, we're still in first. So like I said, it really is a steal of a car. It's got everything you could ever need, especially for a 15-year-old. And I'll let him tell the story of how he got the car and what his plans are with it.
So I bought it from a military guy down in like San Antonio. It was pretty much ready to go when I bought it.
How much did you get it for?
7,500.
Yeah, and it's a really sweet car. You said you were running a 305 with a 4-speed?
Yep.
Have you done anything to the car since you bought it?
No, not anything.
Okay. You got any plans with it, or it's fairly original?
Well,
or...
yeah, it's pretty much all original, so I would like to keep it like that.
Thank you boys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, check out the other videos.